Bonsoir et bienvenue. Nous sommes dans Disneyland Paris pour Parc Disneyland Adventures. I apologise if I butchered that. I did my best. My French is mad. But we are here in Disneyland Paris again. We're here for the Parc Adventures, which is an annual pass event. It's our first annual pass event. So we're going to see what it's got, what's on offer. We've got shows, we've got fireworks, I think. We've got a scavenger hunt, which I don't know how well we'll do because I think it's going to be in French. And we don't speak French, as proven by my intro. So let's see what the crack is, have a bit of fun, do our best, probably fail, and you can come along for the ride. So the event starts at 9:05 with a grand opening show, and while we wait, Claire's got popcorn, and I have. I can't eat through this stuff.
Bonsoir à toutes et à tous, bienvenue au Parc Disneyland, bienvenue pour cette 10e soirée personnelle. Merci aussi de l'aventure. Dans quelques instants, vous allez partir à la programme Disneyland.
So the main thing tonight, be starting off our evening, is we have a treasure hunt. So we all got as you can see there, a wristband for the evening, which has a QR code on, which we need to scan, which brings up this. Welcome to this 10th annual pass evening. Will you manage to find all the clues and the final code word of the evening? The adventure begins now. So we're going to click the button. Each adventure is represented by this symbol on the Disneyland Park map. Go to the place indicated on the map. Fairly simple. Click on the symbol and read the instructions carefully. Think you found the clue, type your guess and find out if the answer is right. Match the clues together to find the code word for each land. Click on the land symbol to enter the code word. Thanks to the code words of the 5 lands, guess the final code word of the evening. Enter this final code word by clicking on this symbol. Meet at 1:45 AM at Central Plaza for the final reveal. Will you be at least 80% to give the correct answer to win the adventure? Good luck to you all. So we've got a scavenger hunt. We're going to go around, see if we can get the clues first. And there are also 2 shows we can watch this evening. One of them is at Central Plaza in front of Sleeping Beauty's castle, and the other I think is in Videopolis, which we'll be doing those after we've done this. Do you want to lead the way, baby? First clue.
This way.
This way.
So adventure 1, pay attention to the smallest detail of the story of Aladdin in its passage and piece together the clue with the unearthed letters.
So I guess we'll go in there then.
Looks like it.
So we failed the first clue because it wanted us to decipher a French word and neither of us can speak French. But we got the second one because it was orange and we got to see Jafar. So we'll have to see how it goes, because if we have to decipher a lot of French words, I can't see us doing very well at this scavenger hunt.
Follow the lively rhythms and stare at the horizon to see this clue.
Into the distance, past the forms.
And squint.
And squint. But we got this one.
We've got it. That's actually 2. Let's go.
2 out of 3. That's not bad. That's 66% so far.
Whether you're at the foot of the Robinson's cabin or at its top, direct your gaze up there to discover the clue. So I ain't going up there, but we can look from down here.
If we have to go up there, we'll go up there. Ready to go up. She ignored me. I don't think she's happy. Smile.
No.
It's only a few stairs, ain't it? So we climbed to the top, couldn't work out the answer, and I think I broke Claire. So I think this French-English language barrier is going to be an issue. Are you okay, baby? She's struggling. I shouldn't have made her climb all them stairs. Should I, mon petit filou?
I'll knock you out.
Baby, you're not having fun.
Stupid game running around in the middle of the night and the cold. Trees.
So we finished Adventureland and we got, what, 7? 7, something like that. Which, considering can't speak French, isn't bad. But the downside of that is it's taking us longer and there's a lot to do, and it's already 11 and we've only done Adventureland and we've still got Frontierland, Fantasyland and Tomorrowland, which means we're not going to get it all done, and we've got 2 shows to do. So we also, on another note, we got to do Peter Pan because it was a 5-minute wait, and I don't think I've ever seen Peter Pan in a 5-minute wait. I can't even remember the last time we did it. So, bonus. We're going to go and do the shows because we've got 2.5, 3 hours left of the evening, so then come back, see what we can get in, because we're not going to get them all in.
Let's go.
I think this one might be telephone. No?
How'd you spell it in French?
It wasn't telephone. It wasn't portable. Je ne sais pas. So there are 2 shows tonight. Jungle Book Jive, we're on our way, which is on the main stage, and then there is also the Disney Classics, which is in Videopolis. So we're going to do the main stage one, Jungle Book Jive, and then we're going to be going in and doing the Disney Classics in Videopolis with a cup of something warm because it's cold, and Claire's eating more popcorn. Ready for your first show, baby?
I am.
one of the benefits of these after-hour events, especially the fact that this one has a scavenger hunt, is all the rides are walk on. So we're doing Hyperspace Mountain now. We've just done Buzz Lightyear. We did Peter Pan earlier, all 5 minutes. Never see that. So bonus. And I should probably say, ever so graciously, that Buzz Lightyear I won just to get Claire back for her beating me a couple of weeks ago in Florida. So, no. Yeah. I got level 4 first. You got level 3. Had to pay back to Florida. Don't be like that, baby. You can't win them all. I win them all. Look at that. It's kind of beautiful. Look at that.
Annuel. Êtes-vous suffisamment nombreux à avoir trouvé le mot code final de la soirée? Vérifions-le maintenant tous ensemble.
So that's the end of the night. All in all, successful night. As successful as it can be for 2 English people who can't speak French, with a French scavenger hunt. And at the end, they did the reveal of the answers, and the answer was cœur, which means heart. I don't know why it was cœur. I don't know why the other answers were why they were. But yeah, so
everyone seemed very excited and happy about it.
If you can't speak French, it was good. Couldn't really take part in the scavenger hunt so much. Some of them were words printed on pieces of card, which we could do because I don't need to speak the language. Others were speaking to people, which I can't do because I can't speak the language. Others were deciphering words and doing anagrams and things like that, which again, can't do. But yeah, I mean, in terms of, we got on a few rides because the wait times were short, which was great.
5 minutes for everything.
Yeah, never seen Peter Pan at 5 minutes. The shows were great. The start show and the end show were all right. Not great unless you're in the middle and can see what's going on. We were on the edge both times and we couldn't really see. But yeah, as a whole, not bad. But on that note, we'll see you later. Bonne soirée. Until the next one.